How's it, millennials? If you're new here, my name is Camp. Today we're diving headfirst into the thrilling world of budgeting apps. Yes, you heard right, thrilling. These digital wizards have revolutionized how we manage our personal finances, or lack thereof. In this smartphone-dominant era where instant information is the norm, these apps serve as our handy financial sidekicks, helping us track, plan, and strategize our money game right at our fingertips. Budgeting, once considered an arduous task, is now just a few taps away. It's like a digital compass, guiding us through the dense jungle of income and expenses, ensuring we don't lose our way and fall into the pit of overspending. Thanks to budgeting apps, managing finances has never been easier, faster, or more efficient. Now, with a sea of apps at our disposal, each with its own unique set of features and capabilities, we're spoiled for choice. In this video, we'll sift through some of the most popular apps, examining their features in a systematic and hopefully less tedious manner. First on the list, ladies and gentlemen, is our beloved Mint, the omnipotent budgeting app that probably knows more about your finances than you do. Isn't that fun? With Mint, you can experience the joy of linking all your bank accounts, credit cards, and even your precious investments, because who has time to manage those, right? It's the superpower to automatically categorize transactions, letting you see exactly where all your hard-earned money is going. It's like your very own financial Sherlock Holmes. Coming up next, we present YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. No, don't laugh, because let's be real, we all know you really do. Now, unlike Mint, YNAB is more like that tough love kind of a friend, always hands-on and proactive. They employ this impressive technique called zero-based budgeting, which pretty much assigns every dollar a task. It's like saying, all right dollar, you've lazed around enough, time to get a job. So with YNAB, rest assured, you're indeed giving every dollar a job. Pocket Guard, oh what a joy. Because who doesn't want an app that just loves reminding you how much you can actually spend after you've coughed up for all those pesky bills and so-called necessities? It's truly the dream tool for those among us who live for the sheer thrill of a straightforward answer to, how much can I spend? I mean, who needs spontaneous spending when you have Pocket Guard? Now let's gab about good budget. Imagine having a bunch of digital envelopes right at your fingertips. And the best part? No misplacing them, or accidentally sending them off with the mail. It uses the envelope system of budgeting, a classic method which involves allocating money to different envelopes for each category of spending, but without the paper cuts. Finally, and certainly not the least, we have Every Dollar, an ingenious creation by our very own financial messiah, Dave Ramsey, because there's nothing like an app that uses the zero-based budgeting approach. It's an absolutely fantastic choice for all those who are just chomping at the bit to follow the financial wisdom of a guy named Dave Ramsey. Comparing these apps is like comparing apples and oranges. Or more accurately, comparing different methods of tallying your apples and oranges. Mint is like the all-seeing eye of your finances, offering a comprehensive view. YNAB and Every Dollar are the drill sergeants of zero-based budgeting, making every cent do duty. Pocket Guard, on the other hand, is your friendly neighborhood accountant, giving you a straightforward answer to how much you can spend. And then, there's Good Budget, perfect for those who prefer the vintage charm of the envelope system. In conclusion, budgeting apps are the superheroes of personal finance management. These caped crusaders of cash help simplify the intimidating task of budgeting, making it as easy as pie to keep an eye on where your money is flying off to. The right app for you depends on whether you prefer Batman or Superman. Are you in need of a comprehensive overview like Batman's detailed investigation skills? Or perhaps a proactive budgeting approach that mirrors Superman's super speed is more your style? Whether you're after a simple spending solution or a classic envelope system, there's a budgeting superhero app out there Remember, the key to successful budgeting is consistency, much like our favorite superhero's unwavering dedication to justice. Whichever app you choose, make sure to use it as regularly as Batman patrols Gotham to keep your finances from turning into a Joker. With the right budgeting app, you'll have a mighty tool at your disposal that can help you soar to your financial goals. Thanks for joining this roller coaster ride of budgeting apps. Until next time, keep your finances in check and your budget on a leash tighter than Batman's utility belt. And keep an eye out for next video dropping soon by subscribing to our channel. Unital, then I'm out.